Our most common service is very simple. Maybe that's why it's so effective. We call it one-way trip. Let me show you. When our customers choose the most sustainable pallet option for their business, they simply order the amount they need via our portal, CHEP. The information is immediately sent to us, and we prepare the pallets in the nearest service centre, where our pallets are prepared to quality standards, ready for use. Customers can then use either our transport or their own transport for the pickup. Our customer receives the pallets and they put their product onto them. Then they send the pallets with goods to their customers. For example, a retailer. As with all retailer-accepted CHEP pallets, after our customer has delivered their products, they do not have to wait for the retailer to unload them. This is because the pallets belong to CHEP, and everyone knows the blue pallets will be collected by CHEP, and the truck can be used for the next delivery. We collect our pallets from the retailers on a regular basis. Then, we transport our pallets back to the nearest service centre to inspect and repair them, so they can be sent to our customers again. That's where the circle closes and starts over and over again.